In this video, you will see the cheapest way to get from Prague Airport to the city centre. In the previous videos, we looked at the different ways to get from the airport and how to buy a ticket. In this one, I'll show you what the cheapest journey into the city centre actually looks like, step by step. Don't forget to validate your ticket so it becomes valid. You can do this either at the platform or once you board the vehicle. As we already know, Trolleybus 59 departs from platform A. During peak hours, it runs as often as every 3 minutes. This is the largest trolleybus in the Czech Republic. It's very modern and spacious inside. Unfortunately, there's no Wi-Fi connection or option to charge your phone. The trolleybus makes a total of 8 stops along the way. The most important one is the final stop, Nádrž Veleslavin, where you can transfer to the green metro line A. The ride takes around 16 minutes. When you arrive at the last stop, Veleslavin station, get off the trolleybus and turn right. The entrance to the metro is through the underpass. Once you go down the stairs, turn right. Then walk straight ahead to the escalators. Above them, there's an information board showing the upcoming departures from the station. Use the escalators carefully. Note, the right side is for standing, and the left side is for walking. So, please don't stand on the left side like the lady in the video. This is the paid area. If you don't have a valid ticket and a ticket inspector catches you, you could face a fine of up to 1500 CZK for traveling without a ticket. With the second escalators, we'll go all the way down. This information board is at every metro stop. Your location is marked with a white rectangle. From there, the stops to the right are for trains going in the right direction, and the stops to the left are for trains going in the opposite direction. It's very intuitive. We'll be heading to the city centre, to the Staromstskow stop, so we'll be going in the right direction. Each metro station has its name on the wall and an information board that shows the current time, the final station of the next train, and how long it will take to arrive. The metro is very clean and runs regularly. There's even mobile signal underground, so you can connect to the internet. The trains are spacious with plenty of seating available. Stations and trains are generally accessible for people with disabilities. It's also a safe option, with regular police patrols and security staff. Each train has an information board that shows the next stop. The names of the stops are also announced. As you may have noticed, I managed to catch ticket inspectors during their checks. To exit the metro, we'll use the escalators again. Now we just have to climb the final stairs, and we'll be in the city centre of Prague, with a view of the castle. We are now here on the map. Just a 5-minute walk from Old Town Square. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates. Enjoy your time in Prague.